So you're looking to get a ceramic coating for your vehicle, but you're not quite sure where to start. Hi, my name is Neil Mazer, and I'm the owner and founder here of Urban Werks Detailing in Lancaster, and I'd love to go over a little bit more information with you about ceramic coatings. So what is a ceramic coating? Ceramic coating is a liquid solution that gets applied to your vehicle that, once bonded to your vehicle, produces a shielded barrier that is very hydrophobic and slick, and also adds UV protection to the vehicle as well. Now, this product should not be compared to paint protection film. Ceramic coatings are great at protecting a vehicle against light marks, light scratches, and swirls, but in the end, paint protection film is the ultimate solution for stone chips and scratches and major imperfections to the vehicle. The ceramic coating is going to add an immense amount of gloss to that vehicle, meaning that it is just pop in and shine and looks great. That is what most folks are looking for when they're getting a ceramic coating. Now, here at Urban Werks, our ceramic coating packages are for the entire exterior of the vehicle. So this is for the paintwork, this is for your wheel faces, this is for the glass, the trim, everything on the exterior of the vehicle. We can even pull your wheels from the vehicle, coat the inner barrels, and coat the calipers if you'd like. We even have a package for the interior of vehicles as well. Now, why would you want to get a ceramic coating at all? And many times we're going to tell folks that the reason you want to is to, again, cut down on the time that you spend trying to maintain the exterior of the vehicle. Maybe you don't have time to detail it all the time. Maybe you don't have time to wax your own vehicle or polish your own vehicle or put any of that effort in, and you just really want to drive your vehicle and enjoy it. Well, that's where that ceramic coating really comes into play. Now, if something does get, the vehicle dirty, or if it does have stuff kind of sitting on the vehicle, once water or a soapy solution comes in contact with the vehicle, all of that stuff will get wiped right off the vehicle, run right off of it. And that's what most folks are looking for, just to help maintain it, help keep the car looking better for longer. Now, here at Urban Werks, we do offer a couple different packages, and you may have seen in your research online that there are all different types of warranties and packages and different products and companies out there. We are Geon certified installers here at Urban Werks, and we have been since 2016. We love the Geon lineup, and we think that their coatings are quite superior to many of the other ones on the market. We have offered Geon Flash and Geon Infinite. Geon Flash has a base lifespan of 3 years. Geon Infinite has a base lifespan of 5 years. Now, when I say a base lifespan, I basically mean that that coating should act as it does on day one for that lifespan. 3 years, 5 years, and anywhere in between. So, when choosing which coating is right for you, typically we like to suggest, what will the car go through? How many miles may you see on the vehicle? Do you actually detail your vehicle yourself throughout the year? Or will you bring it to a shop like ours to maintain it? All of these factors play into which coating is going to be the right one for you. And we would love to go over that more with you on your specific vehicle, so feel free to reach out at any time. Now, our packages are a little different from other shops. We do not itemize out our ceramic coating packages. And what I mean by that is we do not charge extra for wheels, we do not charge extra for glass, and we do not charge extra for trim. The only time that we charge extra from our initial package is whether you want the calipers and the inner barrels of your wheels coated, and if you would like the interior coated. So what this means is whether you go with Flash or whether you go with Infinite, both are going to include the entire exterior of the vehicle. Glass, trim, lights, wheel faces, paintwork, it will all be coated, all be treated with the same coating. So in recap, if you're looking to get a ceramic coating for your vehicle, whether it's a daily driver, a weekend driver, or a vehicle that only sees a few frequent miles a year, it's always a great idea to get a coating to help keep that vehicle looking its best and help maintain the finish. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about ceramic coatings, and specifically ceramic coatings here at Urban Werks, feel free to reach out. You can always call us, text us, shoot us an email, or feel free to shoot us an inquiry on our website. There's tons of links on there to get in touch with us. And as always, we always encourage you to stop into our showroom, check out some of the shop cars that we've worked on, some of our installations that we're doing right now, and learn a little bit more about the services here at Urban Werks.